So you can see my screen, right? When I share this, can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hey, can you see my screen, PowerPoint slides?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay
Yes,
then.
sir.
So this is the area, as you know, advertising management is the subject. This is, of course, we have to do and we have to start via Zoom. Everyone can hear me, right? Right. So based on this, this is your course unit and subject EBAM 3272 advertising management. Right? So already what I have, I'm just checking. I mean, we have usual work. You have in-course assessment. That of course we decide later in the further lecture, further meetings. We decide assignment and in-course assessment later. So this is how the plan is. Ordinary plan which we had for the last year as well. Normally this is the routine plan, right? Where you have to submit report at the same time. You have to prepare a model advertisement. I mean, you have to shoot an advertisement, right? Of course, during the lecture, I will try my level best to show you a previous, uh, your senior batch have prepared a model advertisement and hand over as ICA, as in ICA mean in-course assessment, right? So that of course that is your work. I don't know in this semester for your batch. I don't know that will be possible or not because we are not sure about the situation. And if it is racked on for a whole semester, we have to think about other mode of assignment. If possible, if we are meeting physically and we go for a routine for a lecture, what we do is we will be looking at a lecture, I mean, assignment like you have to prepare advertisement, right? You have to shoot, you have to edit, direct, act, and you have to prepare advertisement and show you hand it over for ICA, right? That of course we decide later. No worry about in this junction, right? So I will what I do is I will just skip all the related assignment instruction. Things are not necessary at the moment because we are looking at lecture through Zoom online basis. So assignment are not necessary at this moment and we will be decide later. So I have skipped the slides which are not necessary at the moment, right? So looking at only 24 participants, right? People are just enrolled, it doesn't matter, right? So this is the slides already I have shared with you through LMS. That is just talk about history of advertisement as we looking at our subject also related to advertising management. So how far we manage advertisement. This is a 2 credit subject as you know, optional. There you have to have 30 hours of lecture and 2 hours of exam paper as well. I mean exam paper only contain 2 hours as it is only 2 credit subject. So advertising management. Right? So they are need to talk about some history of advertisement which are like advertisement in 1890. Advertisement for Coca-Cola and this is contained in England where you had Elizabeth, the famous person in England who's having just promoting this kind of advertisement. So advertisement for Coca-Cola. You have to look at the year 1890. So about 130 years back. Right? And when we think about another some more advertisement in 1806 as well for traditional medicine. This is also 214 years back, right? So this is a Chinese language contain a Chinese language where in that time people are advertising for traditional medicine. They are to they are to become fat. So that's what in the earlier scenario in those period, 200 years back, even 100 years back, people want to become fat. And now, the situation is reversed. People want to become slim. So we go for that kind of medicine. So these kind of medicines are very familiar because people are very slim in that time. So they want to become fat. So traditional medicine for this. And another advertisement in 1895. This is also weight gain, become fat medicine. And this is also, into diagram and a particular person is selling, it has been used in England or somewhere in European country. So in another advertisement in 1935, based on advertisement for hotels, and they have prepared it as an ordinary notices, or else like posters. Nowadays it has been become popularized, not as notice, like it become banner, e-banner become social media banners. So this is the earlier one notice. Now it has been modified into number of setup. And an advertisement in 1913, advertisement for the issue of encyclopedia. When in doubt, it like encyclopedia become, they are started advertising and saying that it is the online source where you can learn. So that advertisement. And when you're looking at another advertisement in 1930, this is an advertisement for a live radio broadcast that is sponsored by Milk Company, published in Los Angeles. So that become in Los Angeles Times newspaper. Is a newspaper advertisement. It's an advertisement for a radio broadcasting and company. Right? And when we're looking at the next advertisement, this is human billboard. Nowadays, very familiar, but not as human holding. It has been hanged in different places, but it become a billboard. We say also very very famous nowadays. And bus painting, as you are familiar, bus painting also one of the cases. Meanwhile, you have train painting. Train painting. So these are mode of advertisement. Even red eye newspaper advertise on in this board. So these are mode of advertisement. Right? So now everybody we are very familiar with advertisement because we are from newspaper, from radio, TV, everywhere during the program. In all the channels we see advertisement. So this is not a new term. And this is a very obvious term, but the only thing is what we are going to do as management students, as marketing students, we are going to look at how we are going to manage advertisement and how you prepare and all these things done by managers or marketing manager, or and how you prepare and all these things done by managers, marketing manager, or advertising. So now when we're looking at the definition, very simple. So in the beginning we rack and talk a lot because these are very essential. Now when we're looking at the definition, very simple. So in the beginning we rack. You hear a recording, right? Huh? You hear my voice again, right?
Yeah.
Hear a recording, right? So you are clear with the my noise, right? Hello, can anyone?
Sir. Hello, sir.
Here are Dharida.
Sir, repeating. Oh, repeating.
Oh, Mata, yeah. For you all also. For me, I got repeat sound. What about you?
We also repeating.
Why? I don't know why.
Repeating, sir.
From the beginning or at the moment?
At the moment. No, at the moment.
At the moment.
Right. We'll see, right? It's,
Repeat,
I'm also
repeat.
just learning this software, right?
If everyone else can mute the microphones, that will be
Yeah,
the
please.
problem.
Once you off, and if you need, just click and talk. Otherwise, just off, then easy for me. If I off, I can't talk, but you have to be right. If it is repeating, if any problem with your thing, and let me know. Someone just open it and talk to me. Go for a unmute microphone and talk to me, right?
Okay.
Right. When we think about this definition, very simple, but only thing is in the definition you have to look at there are three main key terminologies used in all the definition. Very simply, when we talking about the term one is what we simply say non-personal communication. This is the term in all the definition of advertisement. The term will be repeated. So non-personal communication means that is, it's not a personal communication, it's a public communication where you put on newspaper, go for a public notices, go for a public announcement, not a one-to-one communication. So that is what we say non-personal. Personal means single person, non-personal means not single, right? Not one-to-one, it's a public. So it's a one-to-one, not non-personal communication of you are transmitting information brand about the company, of the company, whatever it is. Another very good important thing is there should be an identified sponsor should be there. Right? Second term will be identified sponsor, or sponsor. There should be a sponsor. Normally company will be sponsor an advertisement, otherwise someone outsider can sponsor. And another thing, you have to use various kind of media. Media is very important. Now we have number of media from newspaper, radio, TV. Now we are talking about internet. Very specially, we are talking about social media. So media should be there, and there should be a sponsor, and that should be non-personal communication. And this advertisement should be paid. If it is not paid to the media, then it's become news, right? If it is paid to the media only, it's become advertising. Some company, what they do is they do a seminar or they do a public awareness program. Let's say for an example, dengue prevention program, and they do that, and they put on the radio, and they say it as, they say, it's not an advertisement, it's become advertorial, the another term that we will be talking later, right? That is the only. Otherwise, it's a news. If media find out something else and say it and put that become news. For an example, say like marketing students are preparing a awareness program for coronavirus, the very familiar terminology nowadays. So what they do is, if they prepare it and media found without you inform, if they put on newspaper or media, it's become news. Everybody we know news, no common. And if you given to the media, and if they put it become advertorial, they you are giving that, right? So there is a small difference between news, advertorial, advertising. There are three steps. News mean commenting, they realize it as an important one and they put. Advertorial mean you are doing things and you get photograph and then you are giving to the things. Sometime for advertorial you have to pay money, half a money or little money, not an advertisement. Advertisement mean you are preparing a whole thing of things and you are fully paid. So that is the difference between the terminology become paid in the advertisement, then only it will be differ. Advertisement, no advertorial. So these terminologies will be followed in all the definitions. So I have taken couple of definition here on this slide as well. When you're looking at all the definition, these four terms will be contained. Now, when we take, paid, the term is there, non-personal communication is there, and sponsor is there. Right? What is missing? Paid there, non-personal communication, sponsor is there. What is missing?
Media.
Huh?
Media.
Media is missing now. So now when we're looking at paid there, non-personal communication is also there. Sponsor is there, media is there. So in all the definition, you find that That key terminologies, right? When you're looking at non-personal communication is there, non-personal, paid, identified sponsor, and through channel of mass communication is media, right? Channels of mass communication means media. So that four terms are here, right? And looking at non-personal communication, non-personal is there, and that should be paid. That is also there. Identified sponsor also there, and informative or persuasive message carried out. Media is missing, but media can be in other meaning. Right? So, impersonal is non-personal. That is what it say. Impersonal. About a product, paid is there. Paid and impersonal. Two terms are only here, but normally definition will contain a proper meaningful definition will contain that four key terms as well. So why people advertise now? When we looking at importance or scope of advertisement, can be said as why people advertise to standardize the product. So now simply you have to inform, persuade. Those are the importance, main features of advertisement. Why we do advertise is to make an awareness. Unless you won't do it, people don't know. So when you introduce a product, you make an awareness and to remind them. If you don't do, people forget. So you regularly do. So these are the main. There are very key importance. I mean, the aim of or else in objective of advertisement is there. Main key objective of advertisement. Say like aware, remind, and persuade. These are the main three objectives of advertisement. Right? So need to standardize the product, need to increase the standard of the product. So that becomes the very first one. And to target, aim at a large market. If you want to target a huge market, that there you need to advertise. You might be producing your product in one place, but if you want to sell it to other area, other geographical area, maybe locally or globally, whatever it is, you have to advertise. Otherwise, people don't know. Right? And a product that have easily communicated feature. Then sometime your product might have features. For an example, say like Fair and Lovely might have fairness become fairness is the feature of the product. Oh, feature. So if you want to communicate that feature, you have to tell. Otherwise, people don't know. So you have to through advertisement only. You are going to say Fair and Lovely make you fair. So it's the features of the product. Maybe all the cream do that, but you have to say that this you create more. Right now, soap. The main use of soap is clean. But people say that Lifebuoy make you more clean, Lux make you more clean. So that is the special feature. You have to create this feature, and that feature should have informed via advertisement. And when you sell the product at a lower price, also you have to tell. Otherwise, people don't know. More normally, customers are price oriented, and when you say that. It is at the lowest price, or it is at the discount price, or it is at the 50% off, you have to tell through advertisement. So advertisement is the mode of communication between the customer and the producer. Then it's become an informative way. And products sold at independent channel members are new. Sometimes you have to sell it through a new thing and new potential customer will know about your product through advertisement only. So there you have to advertise. So all these importance are summarized in that three way already, which I have told you. One is aware the product, remind the product, and persuade the product. Aware means make an awareness. When you go for a new product, definitely you have to aware, inform to the public, and remind them. Persuade means you push them to buy. So nature of advertisement, many types of advertisement including people, I mean not only organization but churches, universities, civic groups, and charities, politicians also do advertisement. So advertisement is a common one where you are make yourself popular, right? When company do, it's become commercial advertisement, and politicians do advertisements make themselves popular. Charity also do because they own projects, and civic group, university, churches, every people are doing these advertisement. I mean, make yourself popular. So in this advertisement, main important things will be considered USP. USP mean unique selling point. Unique selling point mean you have to identify a unique selling point which you have. Right? Maybe your feature, or maybe I mean product feature, or product. Uh, Maybe usage of the product or importance of the product that you have to identify compared to other competitors. So that become a unique selling point. Then that unique selling point will be described and decided in the advertisement as a message, right? Then it become a message. Now, I mean, in a very simplest example I can tell you is, now when you take around number of soaps are there, main objective of all the soaps is make you clean, right? Make you clean and right. So for an example, if we say light boy, say like make you clean and protect yourself, right? Protection. Say like you have a somewhat Dettol soap compared to Dettol. I mean ordinary soaps. It's give you not ordinary mean not unique selling. Unique mean where you have and others don't have. Somewhat unique, right? So you have to identify that, and that will become a message in the advertisement, and simply you can create a very attractive advertisement. So that you have to identify. Right? What is the unique selling? So you say for light boy, you say like clean plus protection, right? Protection against the I mean viruses. You say like germs, etc. You say that is not rather than Lux make you clean. Light boy make you clean plus protection. So it's a unique compared to other soaps. Dettol also there, but I am telling you as an example, right? And hidden qualities of the product. So there should be, you have to identify somewhat hidden quality of products that should be also identified and mentioned in the advertisement. Then easily you can create without taking a long time, eh, without telling about the product more and more. You can tell only the hidden quality and advertising. So you can tell only the USB, one USB. You have to identify the USB and focus that in the advertisement as message. Right? A general demand trend is not educate also. You want to create a general demand. So there you have to identify sometime for some product there is a huge demand, then you have to advertise. So these are the key important things you have to identify. When we looking at advertisement, once we look at this following issues to be considered, then we will be looking at an advertisement before the end of the lecture, because easily you can identify what is unique, unique selling point, hidden quality, etc., etc. So you have seen that Nestle advertisement, right? Ice cream, right?
Yes.
So that have a unique selling point is somewhat it's a magic, right? Rather than all the ice cream have vanilla, chocolate, etc., etc. It have a magic, right? You feel as a magical way when you have it, right? So it's a unique selling point. You have to identify where that trend is. Right? So in addition to that, where you have the market potential for the product is educated. Maybe competitive environment is favorable. Sometime king coconut based of product nowadays the environment is very favorable because very summer season king coconut will be a very attractive one. Rather than that, now you don't find seasonal product environment make favorable. For an example, you can prepare like a hakudu, right? You are it's very demand. Even Dehi lime, you don't get lime. Lime people are selling at 30 rupees per lime, small lime. It's make coronavirus make all these Even Kapuru, Dettol liquid is nowhere in the very rare in the shops because in some competitive environment make favorable about the product. So that also we have to see before we go for advertisement. Some product in some area environment make favorable and market make favorable. Right? So you have to identify an organization able to willing spend money and to launch the advertising campaign. There you have to identify whether you have enough capacity to run the advertisement. Right? So when you have enough budget, you can go for it. So that also you have to identify. You have to looking at the environment, looking at the market. At the same time, you can definitely you have to looking at USP and hidden important are very important. Right? So before we go for environment, what we do is looking at the advertisement. I don't. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Huh? I don't know whether to share every window I take. Normally you can see my screen, right? But then I'll take and let you know. Can you see this?
We can only see the presentation.
Only the presentation slide, right?
Yes.
Then it doesn't matter. I'll take that video and someone is coming just now also. Just admit, right? How can I? Very recent, 2000 will take 2015 VA. I don't know how I share this. You can see only the slides, right?
Yeah.
Right. Right. One second. Can you see this? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is one of the two things you have to look at. No, already we have talked about hidden USP. I mean, hidden strength of a product. You have to identify at the same time. Unique selling point also you have to identify the product. So while you looking at this advertisement, you have to find out a unique selling point or hidden strength which other product doesn't have. So that is very important. Once you find out only, you can create that as a theme and simply you can make it an attractive advertisement. Right? At the same time, you have to know that this advertisement is submitted by the senior batches for IGA in course assessment. So that you also have to do it, but we will talk this matter later because nowadays situation is not possible to talk about in course assessment and assignment. We are not talking about at this junction. So just know about this, we will be to think about and talk about in the later. Right? So you have to identify unique selling point of this advertisement. Can you see this sound as well, right? Sound of the video?
No, sir.
No. Not sound, right? Only music is going on.
No.
So it become unique selling point become, you say like easier for, right? What is that? Normally it help the cooker, I mean the people who are cooking. It's so you are attracting that people only, right? You say like it save the time, right? Save the time. So it's a unique selling point of having this kind of a coconut milk powder, right? So you have to identify, otherwise you have to talk a lot in the advertisement. When you identify a unique selling point, uh, it's become very simple to create an attractive message, right? Very attractive message, right? So that become unique selling point, uh, and environment of advertisement. Environment of advertisement is certain. Yeah, I have to just. Okay. So, environment of advertisement. When you talk about this, it is like earlier people are go for people prepare advertisement and run on, but nowadays not like that. Earlier, the mass companies only prepare advertisement and run. Nowadays, all the companies they are preparing. Earlier, only companies prepare and do. Nowadays, agent they hand it over to an agency, and experts are there for advertisement to prepare a medium of advertisement. So it's become one stop communication solution, because when you're looking at the globalization and when you're looking at the evolution of a technology, also change this environment compared to earlier and nowadays. So that is what we have looked at in the history of advertisement earlier, and now it has been already changes. Now we are not looking at mostly newspaper is still there, but we started using online, electronic, and social media kind of advertising. Right? So that also one of the reason where the environment of advertisement is changing based on the emerge of internet. So internet started change a lot, right? Now
You can't
earlier
see
you
the
had
slide.
one mode, it is the newspaper. Again when we talking about radio, another mode again we talking about advertisement in television. Now most people are talking about internet plus social media. So emerge of internet become a very important one, and interaction division also become earlier company only prepare advertisement. Nowadays you have many agencies. There are advertisement agencies are there. Now companies are not spending time and money on preparing advertisement. They hand it over to the agency. Those people will prepare and submit a effective and very competitive advertisement, right? So those people will sometimes they run the advertisement actually. They looking at survey, they compare, I mean, media scanning and everything they will be doing. Another person is
We can't
admitting
see
at the
the
moment.
slide.
Huh?
We can't see the slide.
Pardon?
It's just stuck on that advertisement.
What was it?
We can't see the slides.
Now,
Yeah.
wait, and then again, I think, man, then I have to put this again. Hey, mother. Huh?
Yes.
So I think once already I shared that video, now it's at there. All the sharing I have to change. Okay. So division there you have these many agencies they are design and do that. So internet merge of internet and divisions, and concern on the consideration of the industry are clearly visible. Earlier it's very difficult, now it's very visible. So there you can simply prepare advertisement. Earlier it's very difficult. Now also people are admitting, right? 2 people admit. Okay, come on. 23. An opportunity for growth appears substantial. Total billing and expecting growth. Now, normally when we compare to these kind of organization also grow a lot. Healthcare, insurance, financial services, right? So they need a kind of substantial service with internet. So when we compare to earlier cases, this kind of organization also improved a lot, right? And mostly we target on online. The online advertisement become a major component nowadays, right? And with media planning, media buying also done by as earlier normally done. It is done traditional level. It's done by company itself. Nowadays, agency do media planning and media scanning. We will be talking about in the later chapter, later handouts. When we look at radio, TV, television, social media, each and everything has one hand. Every chapter we will be looking at in the later session. So there are media scanning and media researching and find out what time, what newspaper. For an example, advertisement should be run on which channel. For an example, with a radio, newspaper, or television. If it is television, you have to identify which channel. Rupavahini, ITN, TNL, Sarvavahini. Then you have to identify which day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Again, you have to identify which during which program. So it's a research. You have to find out. Maybe Sunday, then you go for a copy. I mean, Wednesday, I mean, you have to go for a Kopika day. During the Kopika day, teledrama, or else in the morning time, Rupavahini during the Robin Hood teledrama, right? So that you have to either. So this become media scanning. We say media analyze and select on. I mean, run the advertisement. So these kind of things are done by normally agencies. Right? And client will be looking for more comprehensive and also better services with greater speed in the delivery and application across the geographical disappear market. So there you have to go more comprehensive, and clients are looking at better services. Earlier people just come and buy and go. Now, earlier people go to the bakery and ask bread only. Nowadays we go to the bakery and ask number of things, because clients nowadays become they are expecting more services and good product also. Earlier we are just buy and go. Nowadays we asking all these things, because nowadays due to the globalization, customers also become more knowledgeable and expecting more facilities. And media planning has become more far complex. Planning also become it's very complex, because earlier you had only a newspaper. They only have advertised. Now you have number of many newspapers. Not only newspaper setup, you have a we say that broadcasting channels are there, radio we say, number of channels are there, even television, number of channels are there, social media. So compared to earlier, now its environment become more complex, because you have to examine and identify a proper media. It's a critical and a challengeable work. And online, offline media also, people started doing advertising. Online, you have to advertise on the social media when people are on the way. And offline also, you have to just send through emails and people will looking at later. So technology help the advertiser and help the customers as well to see. And these are the ways of how the advertisement and how these, talking about how changing the environment of advertisement. It has been changed compared to earlier because of internet, and the number of divisions are there. Industry become very clear, and there is huge opportunity online, and media buying become very complex, and comparative better services and more. Media planning become more complex, and online offline things. Right? use of advertisement. So we are people, why we promote, why we do this advertisement. One main thing is promote the product organization. So when you want to promote the product, at the same time, if you want to promote the organization, there you are advertise. Normally, organization mean company logo, brand image, idea, I mean product things. So Carlsberg company is one responsible thinking for promote the company's image. You know that so they promote it. So you can promote simply like not only products, same time you can promote the company name as well. Both will be promoted, right? Then you have to think about stimulate the primary and the selective demand. Somebody is coming. Admit. First, when you introduce the product, any kind of product, there will be introduction stage. There, as we know, a product life cycle is there from all this levels of the product life cycle. You need to advertise. You need to think how and how many time, how rare you advertise on each level. So it's very common concept, product life cycle. So I don't need to talk about that. So in that, in the first stage, you are introducing the product, stimulate primary demand, pioneer. So their introduction stage will be there. So there you have to create that kind of image to build that brand image, right? Because it is very new. When you introduce a product, you have to do advertisement and create. That is what we say primary and selective demand. To stimulate means just to increase more and more. Right, so there you have to compare to competitor branding, and you have to go for available with other brand deal competitor. I mean, Visa MX is an example. What we say is MX is uh, maintained by American Express, a credit card. In Sri Lanka, Nation Trust Bank is maintained that, and Visa it is maintained by all other commercial banks. You have Master, Visa, Amex are the kind of credit cards, right? Electronic cards. Right? So when you introduce a new method, you have to more and more advertise, right? To get something like, as we say, like the beginning stage, you have to do lots of advertisement. Right? An offset competitor advertisement, people advertise to defend the competitor. Defensive competitor means to attack the competitor. So in the other way, now Maliban and Manchi people, they advertising and they see that compare. They are showing a brand and say you cannot show a brand in the advertisement. But in other way, they are just showing that and advertise. Competitive, very competitive. When you're looking at posters pasted on the wall, Maliban will come and paste on the wall. No, they about their company's poster. Again, Manchi come and based on the poster of Maliban. So that normally happen competitive. So when Maliban put the advertisement competitively, these people also put another advertisement. That is competitive advertisement, which offsetting competitive advertisement. There people will do, but without harming, without violating the ethics of the advertisement, you can do. And making sales and more effective. So when you do advertisement, it's easier for the salesperson to sell the product. Otherwise, salesperson have to describe and explain everything to the customer will be very difficult. Now, insurance and banking or any introductive stage of product sold by salesperson. Personal selling. Any products which can be sold by salesperson, it's become very easy when you go for advertisement and increase the use of product. When you when we run the advertisement, the use of the product will be increased. People buy. Sometimes they buy once in a week. When you put more advertisement, they buy 2 or 3 times in a week. So you can increase the use of the advertisement as well. And reminding and enforcing the customer. So this is another way. Now, in the beginning, what we do is make an awareness, but later what we do is remind. Now, everybody we know about the product, Unilever's product, Signal we know, but why they advertise just to remind them. reminders, right? A very popular product, not for the awareness, not for the introductory stage, but they advertise to remind and keep us with them, right? Keep us as a customer with them. They are advertising, yes, right? And reducing sales fluctuation. Sometime you might have increased the sale, decrease the sales. To keep the sales in a fluctuated method, also you have to go for advertisement. Sometimes some product will be higher in one season, lower in one season, maybe higher or lower based on the competition as well. Competitor maybe do sales promotion activity, then our sales will be lower. So you have to manage, and we have to also go for a continuous flop way of advertisement. Then we have to look at the concept of value beliefs. These are the concept before we strictly go with advertisement. Again, we have to talk about. So these things we will be talked in another lecture. Right? I am just looking at any warning. Any reminder that my time has come over, but no reminder I got. Single, we can use this. Not more than 100 participants and not more than 40 minutes of meetings or lectures, right? But we can use more than 1 hour and more than 100 participants with through when we register this through learn system, right? So that of course university, UGC have instructed to all the universities, and university have to give us a username and a password. Still I am waiting for that. So once it get, we can talk about more than 1 hour lecture, right? So what we do is we stop with this, and we will be. I have this recording also for this lecture. What I can do is I can just put this in the Google Drive and convert it to readable format and put it to LMS for others as well, right? Today, fortunately or unfortunately, we had 21 participants. Right? Which side?
Yes.
Which side? Some are coming and going. I don't know why.
20.
Huh? Any feedback to be done? Comments?
Nothing, sir.
It's really good, sir.
Huh? Any comments?
So when are we having the next lecture? When are we having the next lecture?
මොකද
අපි
Next
කවදා
lecture,
ඊළඟ
sir.
we another lecture we design maybe like 40 minutes in we can have a couple of lecture in a week, one or two, maybe by Wednesday or Thursday. Why others are not participating?
I don't know,
Zoom
sir.
can be used, no?
I have.
Easy, no?
Sorry?
Yes, sir.
Zoom. No, this
Yeah.
kind of lecture is easy, accessible.
Oh, yes, sir.
So why people only half of the people, 44 means 22 is half. Am I right?
I don't know.
No, I am
I
asking
have
the
asked
reason.
all of them. I'll ask them, sir.
Yeah, just then shall we meet up in another time?
Yeah. Okay.
I'll inform through the way I done in the last time also. No? You got it and you just put it in the. Even this lecture I have put on the LMS as well. I don't know people have
Yes,
seen.
Slides.
Huh? Not the slides,
Slides.
about this Zoom lecture. You can click it through Just look in and see your LMS also.
I have not.
So we'll meet in another time. Any comments, opinions?
No sir.
Vincent, சொல்லுங்க.
No sir. எதுவும் இல்ல. இப்போதைக்கு ஒண்ணும் இல்ல.
Munari, Tino Anang. I mean, you can
Well,
just talk. Huh? Yes.
Next.
You
Online
just-
can I product interactive lecture.
Huh? Introduction in the okay.
Interactive again online.
ඔව් මේ අනිත් අයත් මේ මොකද්ද කියලා බලන්න අපි පොඩ්ඩක් මේව කරගත්තොත් අපිට පුළුවන් මේ if we have everyone in this I mean if we increase the 100% of participant we can think about the assignment. That is the instruction which has been given by me. Then we can think about some kind of assignment given to you by LMS and you can download upload through LMS.
Yes sir.
Just ensure all the participants. What about other lectures also going on?
Not yet, sir. This is
Right.
the first one.
Right. So come up with your comments. You even you can put in the LMS as well. Right. Thank you very much then.
Okay, sir.
Okay sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.